I am now here at 5 and below. Goodness gracious. I'm just everywhere in this damn rain. I don't even know where to next. I don't. Thanks, hi. Where to next? I have no clue. I'm just. It's just pouring down raining on me. Let's see what they got at 5 and below. Ooh. Remember this? The sugar packet? Our Kool-Aid packet we used to have? Wow, we used to eat that sugar. Nothing but sugar. Oh, I'm going through a whole obstacle course. Hold on. Gotta go back around. And here I go. Okay, I'm back. 5 and below. There's candy, 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 of course. I done walked into the sugar rush. And of course, they done went to 125 too. Everything. Everything. 125 now. What is this? Looks good. Oh, look at the Lunchables. Really? Lunchables, gummies. I remember these. We used to have these, not the cranberry ones, but just the regular. What is this? Gummy fries. Oscar Wiener. Not the pickle gummy. Do it really taste like a pickle though? Oof. Okay. Okay, we're leaving out of the sugar factory. Let's try the beauty owl. How about the beauty owl? Some cute gifts for $5. Oh, this is the whole cup of tumbler. $5. What's this? Socks. Okay. Get you some cute little gifts for the holiday, right? Be nice. Nice little gifts. Here's some more stuff. Of course, the prices are all $5, $4.29, $25. A whole bunch of gifts. Okay. Okay. And then there's the travel section, of course. Oops, sorry, hands. Ooh, what is this? Exfoliating stuff? I haven't been in 5 and below in a couple, not months, but I've been in here, but I haven't been recording, so let's see half this stuff here. You know, I like the lighting in here. It's cute. Nice lighting. Don't interrupt anything. So, of course, the music is going crazy on us. I think I have that in pink. Yeah. And little shirts and everything. And we got the little scrub daddies everybody be getting. And the scrub mommies. I like the detergent. Their soap should be good too. It's a $3 section. Okay, what is this? Good Hair Days. Okay. We'll hop back to the side over here. Toys. Hello Kitty. We got books. Different books. Flowers. Okay. Check it out. Little fluffy bags. I don't think you want to use it now while it's raining. They're 5 too. They got a lot of new stuff. I'm telling I ain't been here in a while. Shoes. Tumblers. Balls. These are all the same right here. So. Okay, here's the Beyond. Beyond is like $6 and more, maybe. Maybe $6 and more. Okay. Canopy bed. I think we've seen half of these stuff already, so I'm gonna skip past the stuff that we already seen. I'm gonna stop at the stuff we didn't see. How about that? Works. It works. Yeah. Cool. This is doggy stuff. What is this? A studio floor easel? Nice. Halloween. That's a big face mask. Oh, shoot. I got a whole bag set. Okay. And 5 and beyond. This is here. A lantern. I think we've seen all that already too. So, yeah. I'm about done. I'll take off. And get out this rain. Rain is crazy. My AirPods. They're gonna be working good though, so I'll be getting them. Make gifts. Oh, these are the cases. Phone cases. Get it all in one. How about it? There you go. And then there's these. Wearables. Bunch of games.
Forever's not enough time to love you the